so today I will be ang lakas ng electric fan. Today, ang gagawin ko ay... No, not today. Tomorrow. Okay, so I will be doing my summer foundation routine. I will be sharing kung ano yung products na ginagamit ko na tried and tested ko na. I'll be using my Revlon Color Stay Whipped. Pwede ko rin naman gamitin tong Revlon Color Stay for combination to oily skin, but like I said dun sa aking review, sa longevity pareho naman sila, but I prefer this one better kasi mas maganda yung finish niya sa aking face. Like, I think paulit-ulit na ako. Anyway. Alright, so before anything else, I'm not wearing anything on my face. I'm wearing something. Naka-spaghetti strap. I will be using my Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer just to make sure na tatagal yung aking foundation. So, I'm just gonna spread it. Noong una kong ginamit, hindi ganito amoy nito. Right now, parang nag-aamoy maasim na siya. I don't know why. Naglalagay rin pala ako sa kilay ko kasi very active ang aking sweat glands sa aking kilay. Revlon Color Stay Whipped. And my shade is Nude. I like using this kasi kahit pagpawisan ako, andun pa rin yung foundation. And I wore this 12 hours straight. And I think without retouching. Yeah, hindi ako nag-retouch. Nag-blot lang ako ng oil. But still, the whole 12 hours, okay siya sa skin ko. Medyo may kamahalan siya. Yun lang. The quality and, you know, yung at ease ka, it's priceless. Yung at ease ka buong araw, it's worth it. So, isa-spread ko lang siya sa aking face. Using my Real Techniques, my expert, ano ba yan? Ba't ang dugyot na? Nakakahiya ka naman. Makisama ka naman. Using my Real Techniques expert face brush, ito gagamitin kong pang blend because this one is faster. And mas maganda yung kanyang finish. If I use this one, I'm just gonna buff it sa aking skin. Lagi na lang next yung sinasabi ko, no? Susunod, Mary Kay Concealer. This one is Beige 2. You can actually skip this one if you don't like to wear concealer kasi okay na yung Color Stay Whipped. It has medium to full coverage and buildable naman yung coverage na. Just want to conceal yung aking blemishes dito. And also, this is waterproof kaya, yeah. Since while I'm at it, lalagyan ko na rin yung aking under eye area. By the way, this is not a daily foundation routine. Only sa mga times na, you know, gusto ko ng extra polished yung aking look or gusto kong maging flawless yung aking skin that day. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Naglalagay ako ng concealer. Nasabi ko ba, waterproof to? So, kahit pagpawisan ka, it will still look good. So, I'm just gonna blend it. Alright, so next is my Rimmel London Stay Matte. This is really good ngayong summer. If you wanna mattify your face, your skin. So, magka-concentrate lang muna ako dito sa areas na, you know, madalas magbutil-butil yung aking pawis. Especially dito. Actually, nagko-concentrate lang ako sa aking T-zone. Ginagawa ko dito, dabbing motion. Dab. Dinadab ko siya. Alright, so next for the bronzer, I'll be using my e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronzer in Warm Tan. Actually, mas preferred ko mag-bronzer ng kahit blush on, ginagawa kong bronzer. Ay, ano? Kahit bronzer, ginagawa kong blush on. Awan ko, yung sikat ng araw and the bronzer and all that, parang saktong-sakto. Parang perfect for summer. Lalagay na rin ako dito sa noo. Sama na rin natin yung ating nose. For my blush on, I'll be using my e.l.f. HD Blush Headliner. Konting-konti lang kasi laging sobra ako maglagay nito eh. And ang hirap ng pump niya. Here. Okay. I think I have to use a brush para ma-blend out lang siya. For highlighting, ang ginagamit ko is this e.l.f. Baked Blush. This is Pinktastic. And ilalagay ko lang siya dito on top of my cheeks for that glow. Pag na-swatch ko siya, this is how it looks like. So, I use this for highlighting. Ito lang, dito ko siya nilalagay on top of the apples of my cheeks. Iwasan niyo yung pores kasi pag naglagay ka ng something na nag-glow, na-emphasize lalo yung pores. Lagay na rin tayo sa aking nose bridge. Para pag nag-reflect yung ilaw, parang, tangos. Okay, so that's it for my summer foundation. Wait lang. I will just do the rest of my makeup. I forgot to mention pala, yung sa mga iba namang problema sa nagbubuong foundation dito sa gilid ng ilong. Well, appear tayo dyan. Ako din namang problema doon. Pero actually, I don't know. Hindi ko rin alam kung paano siya susolusyonan. Pero ang ginagawa ko, if I see na medyo nagbubuo na siya, it means ang dami nyo nang nilalagay na powder. Based on my personal experience, kapag nakita ko meron na nagbubuo here, dito sa gilid ng mata, alam nyo, may mga kanto-kanto, for sure, marami na kayong nilalagay na powder. Eh ako, ever since I discovered Revlon Color Stay, para akong inag-endorse ng Revlon. Anyway, kung maganda yung foundation nyo, actually, you don't really have to retouch with powder. Kailangan nyo lang talaga mag-blot. For me, ganun na lang ginagawa ko. So, try nyong mag-blotting paper. So, yun lang. I hope you like it. And kapag nagustuhan nyo, please don't forget to hit the like button. There. Tama ba? There. Here. I'm not sure. See you again on my next video. Bye!
Uy!